Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off talkback using shortcuts and how to disable this shortcut in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So right now we have our talkback turned on,
Google search button.
as you can see.
Tap to activate.
With talkback shortcut enabled, we need to hold a few seconds both volume keys up and down. Let's see if it works. As you can see, talkback is now turned off. Now, how to turn off this shortcut? We have to go to accessibility, then talkback, then turn off this little option here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.